It's a 420mm AIO. And what I wanted to do was put the pure loop Be Quiet fans on the top, and then put the other fans that I have that are matching these on the bottom. And I think we could do that. I think we could fit the Radiator fan sandwich in there because this Radiator isn't very thick. It's a pretty thin Radiator, so I'm going to try to do that. That's what we're going to try to do. I'm going to test with one from each to just gauge the thickness and see if it's going to fit. I've had issues in this case doing a 420, but that was with an Arctic cooler, the Liquid Freezer 2 or 3, and those are pretty thick, so I think we can make it work. If not, the 3 is going to be enough, but I'd prefer to do the quick pull.